What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video and happy weekend to all of you. It's Saturday, so we're on the crypto charts today and we are looking at Ethereum. I've just entered a trade here on Ethereum and I'm going to break this down for you right now. Okay guys, so jumping into the charts, and we're on the 2-hour chart here. Now this is an unusual time frame for me to be trading. I normally trade the 30, the 1 hour, or the 15 with this strategy, but the 2-hour is showing me what I want. Strangely enough though, I actually did the analysis firstly on the 1-hour chart. Now the idea of this trade is we've got overnight highs here. You can see this is 9 o'clock and 10 and 11 o'clock. Okay, price pushed up, broke out the overnight highs and has closed back inside the zone. Price then tried to push up. It couldn't close outside the zone for a breakout and has pushed down, breaking the low of this candle here. Now we've got a similar setup happening on the hourly chart, which is what I was actually originally looking at. Now I was anticipating price to potentially break this candle's high and push up, but we broke the candle's low and then came down. So what I did was I set a sell stop here while I was out and potentially waiting for this candle to flip bearish and break and enter. That didn't happen, but I decided to keep the sell stop there because we didn't actually break this candle's high and we still hadn't closed above the zone yet. So I kept that going and then I jumped to the 2-hour to see what it looked like, and it's literally the perfect setup. Okay, we got that breakout candle. This candle sort of tried to push up, broke back below, as I say. This candle pushed up again, respected the high, couldn't close above, although we still have some time on this candle. Still 19 minutes, and then we came down, broke the low and triggered the sell stop. So that's basically it. We're going for a 1-to-1 down here, which is a decent size because obviously we're on the 1-hour or 2-hour chart. So this is for about 1,486 points, which is about 14 or 15 so pips if you want to call it like that. So yeah, we're in the trade and stop loss is just above the highs here. As I say, first TP is down here. We have got some interest going on. We have got this area down here which could potentially get taken out, but we're just looking for this scalp down really, and then we'll take the runner out and the majority out and leave the runner. So we'll leave this. I'm gonna head out in a minute to go ride my skateboard and stuff because it is Saturday, but if there's any updates while I'm at the computer, we'll do it then, or if not, it'll be back when I'm back later on. Or I might do it while I'm out as well. So let's get into it. And yeah, let's carry on. Don't really know where I was going with that then. Right, we'll come back in a bit. Okay, guys, so just before I go out, just a quick update. This candle has now closed and closed nicely below this candle here. The new candle opened. We did push up, creating a top wick and have flipped bearish. And you can see there is some sellers and selling volume coming in. If we can break below and close below this candle, obviously this is still an hour and 55 minutes away before this candle closes. That would be fantastic. Or even if this candle can look something a bit like this, although it's the weekend, the volume might not be as large as this, but if we get something like this from this candle which can just push straight down, that would obviously be an ideal situation. But if not, we're just going to be in this for the whole day. It's currently 3 o'clock here in the UK, so we're just going to let this run. If you don't know, crypto markets run 24/7. We've actually just broken below that candle's low there, which is nice. There is no sort of set time for, well, it never closes. The markets are always open. So, yeah, just going to let this guy run and go have a good time. And I might throw a few skate clips in here if I get any. But yeah, be back soon. Okay, guys, and it's the next day. And as you can see, we have hit TP1. We actually hit TP1 about 7 or 8 o'clock last night. If I go on the 1-hour chart, it's be a little bit clearer. We actually hit it at 8 o'clock. As soon as we tapped into that and I took that 80%, we literally flew straight to break even and that runner closed out there. So nice trade, super simple, 2-hour breakout and fake out of overnight highs, sorry. So we broke out, closed back in the zone and then waited for this candle to flip bearish, breaking this low where we entered. Price ended, pushed down, and we did eventually come down to here, but obviously our runner already hit break even, so we're out the trade. We're happy with that. It is Sunday, so I'm going to be looking at the charts today, and if we get anything, then I will upload that as well. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Bringing videos to you like this every single day, or trying to anyway. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.